Students who were in the extended school year program at Southside STEM Academy at Camp Estella took part in a unique activity, a rolling car derby.
We had created cars. It was a lot of measuring, math, all that stuff. You had to calculate how long your car gonna go, how you gonna build it, and stuff like that.
Well, this summer, which we have been doing for the past few summers since I've been teaching summer school, is doing some CTE, which is Career Technology Infusion, where we take 20 minutes in the morning per class and work on some project-based learning and engineering design. One of our projects was cars. We took this the car concept and we just took it a little bit further and told kids that they could. The original design was to take 5 sheets of paper and create a car. And we would measure the distance like we did today on how far the car would go.
The students had specific duties.
We have teams of 4 where they have various different roles such as speaker, timekeeper, recorder, and they are able to, and they have detailed descriptions of each role, which helps with collaboration, helps with social and emotional learning, specifically because we have to learn how to work together, just like real engineers in the real world.
As the students enjoyed the competition and camaraderie, they picked up some life skills as well.
Hopefully it was a good practice for collaborating and working as a team, which will come in handy in all sorts of ways in life. Also, it's okay to fail, to mess up, because you can go back and try again and improve.